Hello everyone. In this video we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on the matrices. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question it is given that two matrices A and B like that. It is 2 cross 2 matrix, both are 2 cross 2 matrix, and one condition is given: a power 15 plus b multiply the matrix a x y is equal to 0 0 matrix. Then asked which option is correct. That means asked what is the value of x and y. So in the condition it is given a power 15 plus b multiply by matrix x y, it is 0 0 matrix. So we need a power 15, b is given, so a is 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. If we multiply a by a, that is a square, and then multiply a by a square, that is a cube, in this way we find a power 15. That is the very lengthy process and calculating. So we want to find one such pattern such that this a power 15 is find easily. So for this case we observe the pattern a power n. So we put n is equal to 15, then we get a power 15. So in this case we find a square and a cube, one or two terms. So a square is equal to 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 multiply by same matrix 3 minus 4 1 minus 1, that is equal to 5 minus 8 2 minus 3. This matrix, that is a square is equal to, we got 5 minus 8 2 minus 3. And similarly we find a cube, that is a square multiplied by a, that is 5 minus 8 2 minus 3 multiplied by a matrix is 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. If we multiply, then we get this matrix, that is 7 minus 12 3 minus 5. If we observe these three matrix, that is a is given 3 minus 4 1 minus 1, that is a square, we got 5 minus 8 2 minus 3, and a cube is equal to, we got 7 minus 12 3 minus 5. If you observe this, each term of this matrix, that is 3, that is 5, that is 7, so odd terms are, that is we can write in this way, that is 2 dot 1 plus 1, and this term is can be write 2 dot 2 plus 1, this term can be write 2 dot 3 plus 1, odd term can be write 2 and plus 1, and this term are minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. So when is 1, that is minus 4, that is minus 4 dot 1, that is a square, that is minus 8, that is minus 4 dot 2, that is 3, so that is 12, that is minus 4 dot, and this third terms 1 2 3, this way, that is 1 2 3, when is 1 is 1, when is 2 is 2, when is 3, when it is 3, and last term is minus 1 minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 dot 1 plus 1, that is minus 2 dot 2 plus 1, that is minus 2 dot 3 plus 1, so that is minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, that is minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, this is minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 4. So we got in this pattern, and so we can easily write a power n is equal to 2n plus 1 minus 4n, that is n, that is minus 2n plus 1. So we easily find the a power n. So a power n is equal to 2n plus 1 n minus 4n minus 2n plus 1. We need a power 15, so we put n is equal to 15. So both sides we put n is equal to 15, 2 multiplied by 15 plus 1 minus 4 multiplied by 15, that is 15, that is minus 2 multiplied by 15 plus 1. So we simplify it, we got this 31 minus 60 15 minus 29. So we got a power 15. In condition it is given that a power 15 plus b multiply by x y, that is equal to 0. So we want to add a power 15 plus b. A power 15 we got, that is 31, that is minus 60, that is 15, 29, plus b is given, b is equal to minus 29, 49, minus 13, 18. So now we add, that is when we add this, we got 2 minus 11, that is 2 minus 11. Therefore we got a power 15 plus b is equal to this matrix. Therefore we put this condition, a power 15 plus b multiply this matrix x y, that is equal to 0 0. From where we find the value of x and y. So this matrix is 2 minus 11, 2 minus 11, that is x y, that is 0 0. So when we multiply, we get this matrix 2x minus 11y, 2x minus 11y, that is equal to 0 0. So this imply each component is equal to this, each component is equal to this matrix component. So 2x minus 11y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 11y is equal to 0. Both equation are same, so we simply write 2x minus 11y is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to 11y. So this is the equation we got. This is the two variable equation and equation number is 1. So number of equation is less than number of variable. So this equation has an infinite number of solution. But in a question it is asked what is the value of x. So we check from option. If we see these options, we easily got this value of x from this equation, So if we write this x is equal to 11 by 2y. When we put y is equal to 2, then we get x is equal to 11. So therefore x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of this equation. If we see this option, you see in option x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of this equations. So the third option is the correct answer. So overall the question we want to find a power 15. For this case we find a pattern of a power n and we get a power n is equal to 2n plus 1 minus 4n, that is n and 2n plus 1. So we put n is equal to 15 here, so we got a power 15 from this matrix. So we got this matrix and add a power 15 plus b and is multiply x y matrix is equal to 0 0. So from this we get 2x minus 11y is equal to 0 an equation. From this equation we got x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 2 is a solution.